Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Did you know that genetics account for 60–80% of your height? That means only 20–40% is influenced by your environment. So, what can you do to maximize your growth potential? Today, we'll explore how to grow taller fast in just 1 month. But first, let me ask you, have you ever felt self-conscious about your height? Or maybe you've wondered if you could gain a few inches. Let's find out together. The science of height growth. Before we jump into tips, let's understand how height growth works. Most people grow about 2 inches per year until puberty, and then growth slows down significantly. But even after puberty, there are ways to optimize your growth potential. So, how do we do that? Nutrition matters. First up, nutrition. A well-balanced diet is crucial for growth. Here are some key nutrients to focus on. Calcium, essential for bone health. Include dairy products, leafy greens, and almonds in your diet. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Get it from sunlight, fish, and fortified foods. Protein, vital for muscle growth and repair. Incorporate lean meats, eggs, and legumes. What's your favorite healthy meal? Share in the comments below. Exercise for height growth. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity stimulates growth hormones. Here are some effective exercises. Stretching. Incorporate stretches like toe touches and cobra stretches to lengthen your spine. Jumping. Activities like basketball and skipping can help stimulate growth. Yoga. Poses like the mountain pose and downward dog improve posture and flexibility. How often do you exercise? Let us know your favorite workouts. The importance of sleep. Did you know that you grow while you sleep? Your body releases human growth hormone, HGH, during deep sleep. Aim for 8–10 hours of quality sleep each night to maximize growth potential. What's your bedtime routine? Share your tips for a good night's sleep. Posture and its impact. Good posture can make you appear taller instantly. Here are some tips to improve your posture. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders back and head held high. Sit properly. Use a chair that supports your back and keeps your spine aligned. Stretch regularly. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine to relieve tension. Supplements and their role. If you're looking for an extra boost, consider supplements. Here are some that may help. Calcium and vitamin D support bone health. Zinc and magnesium, important for growth and development. HGH supplements. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Have you ever tried any supplements? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments. Remember, while you may not grow several inches in just 1 month, these tips can help you maximize your growth potential and improve your overall health. Consistency is key. What strategies will you implement this month? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep growing and thriving.